Hi, Bella. I dropped it. Can you go get that for Mama?
To be young and in love in New York City. To not know.
Hello everybody, this is Unapologetic Skincare and Beauty. Welcome back to my channel and I'm Stephanie. So I was not planning on recording today because I just recorded and posted my BoxyCharm unboxing yesterday, and then today I posted it. So I was not going to record today, but then in my mail arrived my Ipsy bag and my Sephora Play bag, both at the same time. And since I didn't get any spoilers this month, I just couldn't have them sitting there and not open and unbox them. So I knew that I had to open them up for you because I personally couldn't wait to open them up. So we are unboxing Sephora Play today. Let us take a look. Oh, by the way, for anybody who's interested, if you saw my BoxyCharm video, I'm currently wearing all the makeup, everything that I received in that BoxyCharm video, I have on my face now. The eyeshadow palette, the blush, the gel that goes under your eyes for the depuffing, and the eyebrow pomade, which actually didn't turn out to be as bad as I thought it was going to be, and the mascara, which is awesome. The blush is super, super pigmented. I was not expecting that, so I did have to go in afterwards with a little bit of concealer and kind of lighten that up a little bit because I looked like a clown for a minute, but otherwise it was really soft and awesome, and I will link that video here so that you can check it out if you're interested. And the eyeshadow palette, I mean, it is what it is. It's not great. It's like oranges and pinks and reds, and you know, I did an eye look with it today, but they said you can do infinite looks with it, and I'm pretty sure you could do about 3, but whatever, it's okay. All right, so let's pop this guy open. Don't have a box cutter because I don't open a lot of boxes besides these, so I'm just gonna use my handy dandy kitchen knife. Hi, Bella. I dropped it. Can you go get that for Mama? Oh no! Okay, thank you. Okay, so as usual, let's pull out the huge, ginormous pamphlet that comes with this and see what this month's theme is. And it says the good stuff. A cleaner beauty routine is easier than you might think. Start with these natural standouts that really work. Maybe the theme for this month is like natural products? Let's dive into the box and pull out the bag. This is the most basic Sephora Play bag I've ever gotten. It's white and red, Sephora's colors, and it says Play by Sephora on it, so pretty standard. I feel like I couldn't keep any makeup in this because it would make it filthy because it's white, but let's open it up and see. I mean, whatever, I like classic things. It's classic, it's Sephora's colors, it's a Sephora Play box, I can't hate on it. All right, my first thing, and I'm gonna grab whatever's like on a cardboard thing because it's usually like a perfume sample, which is my least favorite thing. So I pulled it out and it is a perfume sample, but there's no perfume in there. So I'm sure it got lost in the bag. Is it a perfume sample or is it a perfume sample or is it skincare? Let's see if we can find a little loose. No, maybe this is it. Yes, I found it. Okay, so this is the Caudali, I don't know. Okay, so this is the Caudal Vino Perfect Brightening Essence. Yeah, that's what it is. It comes in a little sort of vial and it looks really watery. So you can see it looks super watery, but let's see what it says that it is. A gentle treatment that removes dead skin so serums and moisturizers can do their thing. That's really good. I have a lot of like acne scarring that I have been trying to lift and get rid of, and I think this would be nice to put on. So is it supposed to go on before? I guess it's supposed to go on before, kind of like a toner. That's interesting. Put it back in its package that it didn't want to be in. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to go in, but that's how it's going in right now. All right, what is next? Ren, I love Ren. I love Ren. They make an amazing toner. So this is a Ren Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. Oh, cool. I love masks. Bella decided to visit. Because she can't be quiet. I'm so sick and tired of sheet masks. I have so many sheet masks, and sometimes you just want to put a mask on your face, you know, like sit in the bathtub, put a mask on your face without having to worry that you're gonna move your face and it's gonna slide off, or having to position your mouth in the mouth holes and your eyes in the eye holes. So this is gonna be awesome, and like I said, I love Ren. I think they make really good skincare, and I'm excited to use this. Let's read what Sephora has to say about it. It says it's a restorative mask that soothes and balances irritated or sensitive skin. Oh, I'm here for it. So this does seem to be having like an all natural, like organic-y sort of month. I think that's cool. All right, what's next? It's a Tarte Amazonian Clay blush. Guys, these are my favorite blushes, and that is kind of why I went in a little heavy with this Note blush, because these are, you know, really pigmented and go on really nice, but they don't come out like super strong right off the bat. But they are my favorite blushes. They wear forever, and I love them. And this is the color Partey. That's how it's spelled, Partey. So here's the little guy. That's an interesting color. I think that the color Partey is like a Sephora exclusive color, which is interesting, but it's not my typical color. I usually go for like pinks and peaches and a combination of those. This is more like a mauve or maybe like a deeper pink, but I love Tarte blushes, and I'm gonna give it a try, and I'm really happy. Like this right here makes the bag for me. Let's read what Sephora has to say about it. All right, so it says Clay All Day, a soft silky powder blush in a Sephora exclusive shade that looks flawless for hours. So I was right, it is a Sephora exclusive shade. That's exciting. Partey. All right, let's get in next. Okay, this is something little. Oh, it's by Bite Beauty, and I really like Bite Beauty. So this is a Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask, which I'd rather have like a lipstick or a lip gloss because I'm slightly addicted. And it's summer. I usually don't use those things in the summer. It's usually like a winter thing because my lips are dry, but you know, whatever. My house is insane. But I like Bite Beauty as a company. I really like all their stuff. And does it have like a color? These little foil things are like my nemesis. Like, where's the thing to get it off? Why do they make it so? I don't think it has a color. I'm not messing with this right now, but it looks like straight up Vaseline to me. But that is like the color, I think. It looks just like yellow, like petroleum jelly. What it looks like. What's next? Oh, Bella, you have Aiden's shoe on. Okay, I have a foil packaging here, so I feel like it's a conditioner or shampoo sample, which are like my least favorite things ever besides perfume samples. So let's pull it out so we can be disappointed early on. Briogeo? Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Shampoo. Oh, I hate it. Why? They gave me enough shampoo in here for like a Barbie doll hair. Like Barbie doll hair. I'll probably use it on Bella. She has more hair than this shampoo will accommodate. Briogeo? I've never heard of this company. Briogeo? A sulfate-free shampoo that creates fuller looking hair without stripping shine. Okay, awesome. Like every single shampoo I own is sulfate free. Everybody knows you should use a sulfate free shampoo. So every shampoo I own is sulfate free. But and this packaging really looks like another company's packaging. Trying to think of who it is. It's another company, and I think they do hair care too, but this packaging looks exactly like it. Take a look and tell me in the comments who I'm thinking of. Who is that other company that this packaging looks like? But anyways, there's only one thing left in the bag, so let's check it out. Oh, it's a tube. I mean, not a tube, it's a tub. Or it's like a jar. It's a glass jar. So this is Pharmacy with an F, which I love Pharmacy. They're a great company for skincare. And it says a gel cream packed with superfood ingredients that visibly plump, nurture, and hydrate skin. It's called Honey Drop. This is called the Pharmacy Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer with Echinacea. So it appears to be a moisturizer, which is cool, because I'm always looking for more moisturizers. It was really not. So that's what it looks like. Yellowy, and it's pretty thick actually. So I'm just gonna rub it into my hand. It soaks right in. It's not greasy. It doesn't have a smell really, but I do smell honey. I didn't smell it at first in the jar, but when I put it on my skin, I smell honey. So it smells good. It's okay. I don't like honey. Everybody's like, I love honey. I don't like honey. I don't like the taste of it. I don't like the smell of it. I don't like to put it in my tea. I don't like it anywhere. I don't really like honey that much. But this is not offensive, so poor Rosie. Okay, I don't know, you guys don't have to bark anymore. Okay, so I do like getting moisturizers, and I do like this moisturizer. I don't think that the honey smell, it's so faint, I don't think it's gonna bug me, and I'm excited to use it. So, I mean, I think you know already what my favorite thing from this bag was, which was the Tarte blush. And it was also the only makeup item I got, which is different for Sephora. Typically with the Sephora Play Bag, you get more makeup, less skincare. You always get a ton of skincare with Birchbox, which is one of the reasons I canceled Birchbox, because I'm all set on skincare. I have a skincare regimen that I really like to stick with, so, but whatever. The Tarte blush is great. To me, that makes the whole bag. I really love them, so I'm happy with it this month. I'm not unhappy. I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad about it. So let me know in the comments what you thought about your Sephora Play this month. Please like the video if you liked the video. Comment and let me know what you thought, and please subscribe so you can see more of this face. I don't know if you want to, especially with the circus that my house is on summer vacation. My house is a circus on summer vacation. We got like dogs barking, we got kids coming in and out. Bella's like, I can't even. My house is a circus in the summer because there's so much going on and I don't have any alone time, so I gotta get the recording in when I can get the recording in. Do you want a popsicle? What? You want a popsicle? Do you want a popsicle? Do you want a popsicle? Do you want a popsicle? Does Bella want a popsicle? Mama's gonna kiss you. That was such a sloppy kiss. As always, stay kind and stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.
I like me better